Hi, I'm Stacy Metro, a certified SAFe program consultant from Radis Software. We are a silver transformation and a platform partner in the Scaled Agile Partner Network and have led several large SAFe implementations with federal, commercial, and nonprofit organizations. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how Metronome can be used to perform the Inspect and Adapt ceremony. We will demonstrate how organizations that make the decision to consume and leverage Metronome will see a demonstrable increase in the positive impact of the Inspect and Adapt part of their SAFe experience. Inspect and Adapt is an important ceremony held at the end of each program increment, or PI. Teams reflect and adjust in support of relentless improvement, as highlighted by the SAFe House of Lean. An important aspect of the Inspect and Adapt ceremony is to quantitatively review and analyze the data collected during the entire program increment. Best practices have demonstrated that teams can greatly benefit from the use of a tool that they use to capture data during the execution of the program increment. As organizations review the collected data and identify the nature of the problems in the program increment, another best practice is an ability to store the solutions to those problems and note the impact of the issues in one central location. Metronome helps organizations by capturing information during the various ceremonies in the program increment. This information is presented visually in the forms of charts, graphs, and in tabular format. With the help of these visual aids, business owners, RTEs, and other stakeholders at the program level can quickly and easily analyze the data and trends, identify potential issues, and facilitate the Inspect and Adapt ceremony. Metronome further helps to capture the lessons learned, improvement ideas, and solutions to problems discussed during the problem-solving workshops and the system demo, and stores them in a central place. This enables teams to have a one-stop shop, a single version of truth for all information pertaining to the program increment. Let's look at how Metronome supports the Inspect and Adapt ceremony. Distributed teams have come together for conducting the Inspect and Adapt workshop. After the first part of the workshop, teams have completed the PI system demo and have noted the value delivered for each objective. When the teams had met earlier for the PI planning session, the teams, along with the business owner, had identified the PI objectives and planned business value. Teams can now enter the actual business value for each objective. Metronome will calculate the program predictability measure chart based on the planned and actual business value. Any lessons learned or improvement ideas discussed during the system demo can be captured in the demo notes section in Metronome. The demo notes can be edited in line with a full-fledged rich text editor that supports headings, links, images, videos, and more. During the second part of the Inspect and Adapt ceremony, teams can review the metrics collected and analyzed and discuss any potential issues observed based on the analysis and discuss data and trends. The program predictability measure generated in Metronome shows the planned versus actual business value for each item. This is an excellent measure of the value delivered by the teams in the art. This chart helps the business owner and the rest of the stakeholders at the program level understand if the teams are delivering in the acceptable range. This also serves as an excellent communication tool to use in discussions to determine if adjustments must be made to ensure that all teams in the train are aligned to the objectives that deliver maximum value. The ART velocity chart helps program stakeholders identify the velocity of the trains. In this manner, the charts enable the program stakeholders to discuss and take improvement actions needed to increase the velocity and reliability of the teams for the upcoming program increment. The third and final part of the Inspect and Adapt ceremony is the problem-solving workshop. The teams discuss the actual causes of problems and discuss solutions to those problems. This approach to problems and their solutions can be stored in a central location in Metronome. In this manner, All information pertaining to a program increment will be easily stored and accessible in a central place. I hope you are as excited as we are. Thanks so much for watching this video on engaging, inspect, and adapt using Metronome.